What's up everyone, welcome to Virtual Gaming channel. So this is my first time doing live commentary on the video, and this is my first ever unboxing video on the Xiaomi Mi 9 that I just accept, and I just got it today. So let's start it. Not the most beautiful unboxing video you have ever seen, but please bear with the quality since this is my first time ever doing the unboxing. So here we go. Okay, so we got another box right underneath the cover, designed by Xiaomi. So let's see what's inside this little box. You have a dongle, which means it doesn't support 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a SIM card ejector tools. It does provide a black color cover with it. Transparent black color, as well as some reading material. Okay, we will go into that later. So here is it, Mi 9 itself. So this is the piano black version, which I like it a lot. Take a look at the back. It's really nice with triple camera setup and dual nano SIM card. Okay, we put it aside first. Here you have the USB Type-C cable, as well as a 18-watt charger. Yeah, 18-watt charger. So that's it with the unboxing. So let's get to the handphone itself. Let's peel off this bad boy. Ooh, that was satisfied. So MIUI 10. Okay, we'll quickly jump through it. Okay. Skip this. Checking SIM card, skip this step. Okay. Never mind, we'll set it later. And this one as well. Disagree. Okay, after waiting the loading screen, now we're back to the home screen of Xiaomi Mi 9. So let's see about the settings here. The settings about phone. So this is running on Android 9. Don't know guys, you can see or not. It's Android 9 version. And this is a 6GB RAM along with 128GB in total. So this can serve me for a long time as I start recording content on this phone later on. Okay, there is it. If you want any video related to the Mi 9 like gaming performance or camera review, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so that motivate me to make another video about the Mi 9. Okay, thank you very much. So I will see you guys next time.